If you think that launching a brand requires an expensive design agency or hours of wrestling with generic templates, you're looking at it all wrong. Today, we are testing a custom-trained AI design platform that builds premium logos from scratch and automatically syncs that brand across 50 matching business tools the second you finish. All right, folks, we are back on design.com having a look here. So I absolutely love this platform. It can just do so much, whether it's logos, designs for your brand, whether it's for your website, AI design, Facebook, IG, all social media, video, and print. It's going to be able to generate really good logos, business cards, everything is going to be here. If you're someone that's starting out a business and you're struggling a little bit with branding and how to basically create it, bulk produce it, design.com has you covered. I want a logo for my fitness and wellness business called Pinnacle Fitness Performance Center. Keep it simple, elegant, and professional. Use clean typography and modern fitness elements. Make it timeless and visually balanced. So let's go ahead and actually look at what kind of output can be produced from design.com. It's not just like your standard AI generators. It's much more than that. It's very specific for actual branding. So let's have a look. We went for Pinnacle Fitness, Performance Center. So have a look at all these different types of branding. You know what's crazy? 300 pages and 14,400 logo designs. I mean, have a look at all of these designs. Some of them are actually really good. So let's just keep having a look through. I like some of the muscly dudes, even some of like the more yoga-based ones and the workout ones with actual equipment are good here. So we picked this one here. And once you click into it, that's not all done. You can change and optimize things such as the logo, the background, the shape, the layout, the text, everything. And you can actually AI prompt it within this to actually make those changes as well. So for example, make the icon more premium by using a mountain peak and circular badge while preserving the typography. So let's see. Wow. Okay, so that's actually really impressive. It did exactly what we wanted to, changing the logo into this mountain peak, Pinnacle Fitness. So it's the pinnacle of this snowy mountain, getting to the top, achieving the fitness goals. Really good. So it's virtually listened to us exactly to the T, and it has given us exactly what we were asking for. So you can download it, you can save the progress, you can share it, of course. And then after that, you can go and create your new designs as well. You can upgrade your license. Everything is virtually here, and important that we go ahead and select the industry as well, being fitness. So I like it how it actually prompts you into the other areas, things like business cards and things like that you can start to do, whether it's coffee mugs, t-shirts, website layout, Instagram, all social media, that kind of thing. It's all covered here. So let's have a look. Got the different AI templates here. So again, this is all AI created and focused around our brand of Pinnacle Fitness. Everything is here. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section of this video and if this is something that you would actually use, because if it is, you can get started with the link in the description. So here's some more business cards that we can have a bit of a look through as well. Stuff for the website, lots of cool ones here. It's really good because it's holistic. It's going to bring everything together for you. So we're going to go in and select that for our website. It's got all the buttons, register now, and this, what we're on here is the desktop version. So we can see precisely how it's going to be looking for people that are on a desktop. It's got all the social media buttons, Facebook, Instagram, X, and all of that good stuff there. If we want to change buttons around, you can get that changed up. The images, for example. So if you want to import like real images of yourself or maybe like some models that you're using, maybe you can actually do that as well. Can change this section up the top here. Everything can be done from the padding. You can make it a thin line, a thick line. You can change the backdrop altogether. So for example, right here, if we want to go ahead and change that template, have a look at how that looks. And for instance, have a look at that. The video template, wow, that is really good. So that's an actual video template of a woman doing a really nice forehand. And you can actually see like, I don't know if it's like sand or water coming off the actual racket there. That is like really impressive. And look, you've actually got the mobile version as well. And that's what I absolutely love. They're giving you the mobile version because most people are going to be looking at this in today's day and age on a mobile. So you need to make sure it's optimized for mobile. And yeah, guys, don't forget there's also Facebook covers, Facebook posts, different stuff for your letterhead. So it's really important because You want to keep that brand consistency across email signatures, presentation, t-shirts. You want to keep that consistency. You don't want things being diluted and looking too different when it does come to your branding. It's everything is here. Look at that. You can even do like postcards, menus, invoices. You got LinkedIn banners, thank you cards, stuff for Facebook stories. It's doing it all for you. I mean, it is all here. Design.com has more than got you covered with its suite of incredible designs after you give it that nice little prompt for whatever business that you are creating. Really cool stuff. Stop wasting time with basic clip art generators that make your business look cheap. Click the link now down in the description to try Design.com's custom trained AI and build your original logo and deploy your complete automated brand ecosystem today. If you enjoyed today's video, please take a moment to hit the like button, subscribe, turn notifications on so you never miss out on another one of these videos, and comment below, have you tried Design.com? See you in the next one.